Hello friends, welcome back. In today's lecture, we are going to talk about the CLI commands and we will see in more details what commands we can use and what is their uses. So let's get started. So you have seen in previous lecture that I've been using init command with some additional options, plan. So we'll talk about it in more detail. There are standard command available into the Terraform. I'll give you the whole reference so you can go and read out, but I'll show you something here which is more useful and going forward in our lecture will be used. So the first command is Terraform init, which used to prepare your working directory for other commands. So basically it uses and it's download required providers. It prepares all the working directory as per the setting into provided as per the settings provided into the Terraform block. So once you run Terraform init, it will let you know all the CLI is quite smart, that will tell you what steps has to be taken further. The second command is about Terraform validate, which check whether the configuration is valid or not. For example, if I say this is not a valid one, or maybe so I can say Terraform validate, and it will say we have a issue at this command, and you can go and you can fix it. The plan command is basically used to show changes required by your current configuration. If I run Terraform plan, it will speculate the plan and generate that dependency graph as per your current configurations. If you want to see how it's going to run, because we have linked our cloud, so you can click this link, or and let me click this link. Let me open here. No changes declared because we have set up this thing to run at the remote level. If I omit this part, all this part, then it will start working at my local. The main command is like Terraform apply, that create update your infrastructure based on your configuration provided. So when we say Terraform apply, as of now there's no configuration, so it won't do anything. But when you say Terraform apply, it means it's going to run your code, it's going to run your script. Basically, it's always better to have a Terraform plan run before the Terraform apply. No changes detected because there's no configuration I have provided. The last command in the segment, which is main commands, is Terraform destroy. This command can be used for deleting the resources or destroying the resources. So if you want to run these two commands, apply or destroy, I would suggest you go run all these plan and validate beforehand, so you can know whether your configuration are valid and what impact it is going to have. There are certain other commands that you can use. For example, there's a Terraform format command with the option recursive, which will format the files as per the standard. Another command is login, that you can log in and generate the token. Log out to log out from the cloud. If there is a show command, show the current status or the save plan. This is my dependency graph. Similar way I can say Terraform state. So it will say it requires some other commands, like you want to get the list of state, how many states are there, so you can say Terraform state list. You can pull the state, but this is the advanced topic that we will cover into the next lecture. So this is all for this lecture. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.